Okay, so we're off, babe. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
We're going fishing, right?
Yeah,
And you
deep sea fishing.
and isn't fishing one of your happy places?
It is.
It is, right?
It is my happy place. I like to go relax.
So this is a good thing that I surprised you with this?
Yeah, it's weird because I'm leaving and I'm not taking anything. Usually when I go for a fishing trip, I gotta pack the easy up, the cooler, chairs. I gotta grab all the poles, then I gotta grab the bait, the tackle box, and then I gotta bait everybody's pole. It's not fishing for me. It's like I gotta bait everybody's pole. I gotta throw it all out. Then somebody's gotta reel it in. Then they're gonna lose their bait, and then they're gonna go, Dad! And then, or they're gonna throw it, and then there's gonna be a big rat's nest. And then I'm like, oh my God, dude! I was like, I haven't even got my pole in the water yet. And then I'm like, oh, jeez, dude. All I did this morning was wake up, throw some clothes on, and drive and go fishing.
All because of Desert United trips.
Yeah, thanks for trips, Desert United.
Right?
Yeah, the cool part is I think if I get a rat's nest now, like somebody on the boat can be like, oh, let me help you, sir.
Right. So we're excited. More to come.
And the bottom line, we appreciate every one of you that came. So let's have a great day today. Mike's gonna, how about a hand for the driver? Hey! You got us here safely, brother.
The silent ones are the good ones, Mike.
That's right. And Mike is going to talk a little bit about what the plan is for today, you guys. And if you have any questions, you can let Mike know because he's got an itinerary. What's the deal, Mikey?
So, thank you all for coming. It was a pleasure, you guys. We've got a museum. We were going to go and have lunch at the Julian Grill. There's a grill up there at about 12:30. 12:30. We'll be there. And we're going to have a good lunch. If you want to join us there, you're welcome to. If you want to go on your own or go to your own place, you're welcome to. Kind of do your own thing, but that's where we're going to have lunch at 12:30. It's up there. I'll find it right now. And then between 1:30 and 2.
Okay, so there was a change of plans. I was completely wrong with what I thought we were going to be doing today. We are not going fishing. We were going. I guess it was a trip to Julian. I got the dates mixed up. So here we are, and first stop is the museum here in Julian. Oh, this cool sewing. Look at the patterns. Look at all that. It's so cool. Okay, so more to come. Say hi.
I'm not gonna lie to you, babe. I think I saw this on the way here. I didn't tell anybody because we went past it so fast, this hawk.
Did you?
I saw this big, huge red bird.
I love this house. Look at how it was made. Okay. You think on our way here today?
Yeah.
Really? We'll have to look.
As we were going past like the cows and stuff, where there's like a big gap, and then I just saw this big, huge, reddish bird. I was like, wow, that's big and pretty. I don't know of any other bird. It looked almost like that. I don't think it was as big as an owl. It was about that size.
All the doilies.
But you're supposed to get like a couple flakes of gold.
Look at this
He has a
bathtub.
huge pan, and Dude, they pushed him a lot because
They made it put it back?
they told him to, and he's like, I'm not doing that. He's like, it says pay $10 to pan, and I took the pan, I got pan. I don't know, because I know how to do it, like whatever. And no, when they went to put it in the vial, they were like, oops, and they dropped like the whole pan. So they gave him like a little bit like you're normally.
I found one. Oh, look at that.
This is what my wife used to
That
throw
is
at me every
neat.
night.
Which one is that one?
I don't know.
That is so cool.
Oh, I found number 10. So we're done with this page.
Good job.
You can smell. So we're trying a flavor of hard cider. Julian hard cider. Okay. What's it called, babe? Okay, you say. Go ahead. Who wants to say the name of it?
Cherry bomb.
Yeah. Oh, and it's so good.
I love that they put that as, they always put
No
like.
gluten for you.
It's pretty funny they
To
put
have
that.
you here today with Steven, because Steven's a great young man, and he's always a pleasure to be around. He's very talented too. He gives Mark competition with photos. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're right.
When in Julian, you do what they do. You eat pie.
Rebecca, should we just grab one?
You're doing a heck of a job.
So we made it. We're here. It's very relaxing. This is what I'm looking at.
Oh, behind us too.
Look
huh?
at
How
it,
cool
isn't
is
that
that?
cool?
That is really cool. Wow.
Right?
What will you guys think of next?
I know.
Look at the coffee. Together, look at coffee. Good for you. This is coffee right there.
This is such a neat app. Look at this app. Look, you can see what I can see. Look. It's videotape. Say hi, honey. Hi, honey. Look, you can see us seeing them. Isn't it cool? Look, Mike, look.
It's double.
Look. Hey, babe.
I'm in here. Where am I at?
What does it do?
Isn't that
there I
neat? What?
That's pretty cool, huh? You see behind?
Look at my.
That is really cool.
How'd you do that?
It's an app. I don't. Look, what? How cute. Look at the fairy. Oh.
I'm making for that price.
Please. Look at that. Oh, how cute is that?
You just go get a log, dude, and then
Okay, do it for me, please. Surprise me.
and then we'll treat it.
Surprise me. I want it.
Throw a pump in there. Hold on.
It could be my birthday and Christmas together. I wouldn't even care. Look at how cute. Oh, this is so cute.
This is so cute. Like, babe, I want them, all of them. I want them. This is an amazing fairy garden that could be in my house all the time. That would be so amazing, and I could plant plants because there'd be water. So, are you liking it? Is this a cool little trip?
Awesome.
It's no deep sea fishing.
Thank you.
But it's pretty cool. I didn't have any pie though. But I did have some cherry bomb Julian cider, which was very good. Now we're going off to the mines. We're gonna be the two little leprechauns, like dancing around at the gold. We're gonna find it, right?
Rolling around. Yeah, he's gonna know I need some gold mine. There's nothing in here we're gonna spend, right?
This is a total bucket list check. This is really, really cool.
2 to 3 feet a day using the picks and shovels. Now later on you'll notice they're rough and angled, and that's where they're blasting their way through using blasting powder, making 4 foot a day progress. So they improve their production once they start.
So a fact I learned about my family is I actually have my great-grandparent, my grandfather is a miner. So pretty cool.
Dynamite.
This is the vein of quartz. But and once they find the vein of quartz they like, they follow it through the mountain, creating a drift tunnel. So the miners drift with that vein of quartz running through the mountain.
Should we walk?
But it also runs through the top of the mountain, and there's 5 more tunnels above us, all following this vein.
Anytime you see mica feldspar quartz, you know it's not from a volcano. You have to put the volcanic rock under a microscope to see the crystals. So this is metamorphic, most of what's within there. And this is granitic. This comes up first.
Almost like a tile specialist.
Isn't that cool?
This is really cool.
Right?
Look at me tomorrow. Isn't that interesting? These little carts that go in there.
For the whole time.
Anybody want a picture?
Ready?
So are you glad that we did this, babe?
Yeah, it's cool.
Is this nice?
Yeah.
Even though it wasn't fishing? Babe,
You're funny, babe.
do you forgive me?
I forgive him.
Is this still fun?
All right, where's the ribs at? Here, ready? Let's do it quick. We don't got all day.
Tell me what you're doing, babe.
I'm shaking all the gold into the corner of the ribs, and then I'm washing it out
Why are you doing that?
for gold.
Is gold heavier?
Yeah.
So then that means that you're shaking it, it's gonna fall to the bottom? Okay.
Here, let's shake, 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 shake. We're gonna go quick. Because I don't think I get to keep it.
You don't. You're basically, you're mining for them so they can sell it in their store later.
No, not the pour it in here.
Here's some.
Oh, cool. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
You did, you got some right there.
Wow.
See it all?
Are you done with it?
Yeah.
I mean, I can pan it down more, but see it all?
Then just hold it flat. Flatten.
Oh, right there.
A little bit, yeah.
See right there?
Yeah?
All of it. Look at all it.
All right, hey, let me help you. A little pile there in the corner.
Yeah. Shake, feather. Shake, feather.
Kind of previewing my sand to make sure there's no gold in that, but
Yeah, a little bit. Here's some.
let's do it again. Get all that gold silver in one spot, under the sand. Gently rinse.
There it is. Yes, sirree.
I already knew there's gonna be gold because I scraped the bottom.
So today, I was with.
My trips.
It was so fun. So
Oh.
today was totally not even expected, just because I'm a nerd, and so I didn't know I was going to check this off my bucket list.
Apple pies.
We went mining. I
Gold
went in
mine.
the gold
Oh, yeah,
mine.
we panned for gold.
We panned for gold, and we actually found some gold, which
Yeah,
was
we
really
saw
amazing.
gold.
Yes, and
we danced.
we had good dinner. We
Yeah,
had a
we-
good lunch, right?
Lunch
we
was
totally
good.
danced.
Lunch was
Everybody
good.
danced.
Yeah, we danced in the street.
we totally, literally danced in the street.
Yeah, we had strangers dancing.
We did. We caused a dance party.
Yeah.
So here we are, look. So we are actually at a coal mine, but not a coal mine, a gold mine. And here, look at how pretty. And we're only hours away from the desert, and it is so beautiful right now. And I wanted to go live and just say that this right here, Desert United Tours with Trips, is all about experiencing your local community. So from being within our valley to within a drive, and where we can go with a great trip,
Yeah.
right?
You need to plug in. Next month, we're going to go deep sea fishing.
Yeah, so this
Yeah.
is going to be fun. What day is that?
That's September 28th.
September 28th.
Mark your calendars.
Okay, and it's
gonna be
what
a
day
good
is
one.
that?
That's a Saturday.
So is it the 26th?
Oh, shoot. Hold on.
It's the 26th. It's actually the 20th, right? Is it? No, I'm probably wrong too.
Hold on.
No, he's right. It's the 28th.
28th. Saturday, September 28th.
Okay. And how do they get
9
to?
a.m. desertunited.com, tours, and plug in.
Yeah, so if you're seeing this and it's not relevant because it's past the time, just know that if you're looking for a cool place or a cool way to experience your community and raise money and awareness for nonprofits in your area, reach out. Like, this is something that is really amazing and can make a huge, amazing difference while you're building community, hanging out with your friends, meeting more friends, having fun. Yeah.
Raising funds for good causes.
And economic development,
and
dude.
having a great time.
Totally. So, peace out, guys. Until next time. Bye!
Just double tap it and you're and this
Isn't that cute? Isn't that cool?
Incredible.
Right?
Yeah.
I know!
That is very
Okay, wait, but babe, what do you want to say?
Woo! That was an awesome fishing trip.
Okay, so we're back from Julian. And again, it was my mistake. I told my
order fish.
yeah, I told my husband we were gonna go fishing. We were all ready. We ended up having
She mixed the dates up. It's all right.
I mixed the dates up, and he was totally understanding, and it was awesome. And we're still not done, so we're having a post-game gathering.
Hey, you know what I'm gonna order over there? Fish.